These don't belong here. Odd. But if you just laugh that off as normal forgetfulness, that's exactly why millions discovered dementia too late. I'm your name. And today you will learn the 10 hidden signs your brain is begging you to notice, plus one shocking 2024 breakthrough that could change everything. Normal forgetting, losing your keys, dangerous forgetting, finding them in the freezer. When someone starts putting everyday objects in illogical places, not just misplacing them, that's your hippocampus shutting down. And here's the terrifying part. This can start 10 years before any official diagnosis. Asterisk, or take George. Last week, he called this a food shovel. His family laughed. His doctor panicked. Because anomic aphasia, the inability to name everyday objects, is one of the earliest red flags most people ignore. Sign number 2 isn't just burnt toast. It's forgetting how to make toast. When procedural memory fails, people don't just skip steps. They lose the entire recipe they've known for 50 years. Like Linda, who suddenly couldn't operate her coffee maker, but could still recite her childhood phone number. Asterisk sign number 3 will mess with your sense of time. Not what day is it, but full on believing it's 3 a.m. at noon. Doctors call this sundoning, and new research shows it's linked to a specific protein clogging your circadian clock. Now here's what Big Pharma Docent wants you to know. 40% of dementia cases are actually reversible. Vitamin deficiencies, thyroid issues. Even undiagnosed UTs in the elderly can mimic Alzheimer's. That's why asterisk sudden personality changes should send you straight to the doctor. When sweet grandma starts cursing like a sailor, it's not old age. It's her frontal lobe decaying 3 times faster than it should. The good news? Catching just one of these signs early can add years of clarity. That's why we VA partnered with neurologists to create a free early detection checklist linked below. Asterisk, because in 2025, hopeless is no longer a diagnosis. Smash that subscribe button next week. We're re-exposing the 3 foods accelerating brain decay. 1S, probably in your fridge right now.